What's up, guys? I'm gonna make a quick video today, and I'm gonna show you the difference between those. You see here I have my vacuum lines, and I bought this thing here which is heat proof. It has some kind of silicone on the outside and some protection inside. And you see here, because I had a leak in here, and look what happened. It melted the silicone, but you know, the other part was there. I don't know how, I mean, it didn't burn my line, but you know, definitely was something to look for. And I got this kind here, which is Mr. Gasket, and they're definitely different. I'm going to show you the differences, and we're going to install in the car. This was actually the line that wasn't there. Yeah, I don't see damage at all. I mean, I know where it is, but it's still malleable, and yeah, I mean, it's still good. So definitely that protects. I'm gonna save that. One thing I want to try is get this thing here, for example, put inside the new one, right? Let's get a little here, something with a fire. It's a little test. I know flame shouldn't get in there, but if I put straight in the hose kind of melts. I could see it in here. It gets red, but this is on the flame. I'm pretty sure this is not supposed to be like this. Well, and I saw getting red. So let's see. This is like the extreme of the extreme. Look at this. I can smell it, but it protects the silicone. And look at how this looks. So yeah, I mean, it's good. It saved my, I'm gonna cut this part here, and it's actually pretty hard. I'm gonna try to open and see how it looks inside. I didn't plan to do that, by the way. I just felt the need. It gets a little easier to break, but yeah, look inside. It didn't change any of the composition. Check it out. This is the outside. This is the inside. So this proves that's good. So let's go to the car. I'm gonna put some gloves because this one doesn't have it. That one has a lot of fiberglass, and it gets in your finger and it hurts. Okay, so this is gonna be the deal right here. I'm gonna pull it out, and I'm gonna slide my hose out of here. And as you see, there's fiberglass everywhere. So I'm gonna slide it out. I mean, it's a little thicker. It's kinda, it's almost like a comfy couch, you know what I mean? Then I'm gonna get the new one. It's much easier to slide, looks like. Slide in. The other one was kinda tricky, so we gotta kind of make the shape and push. Yeah, this is tricky too. And finally, if you're suffering to put this inside here, I just figured a good way. You go to the end where the hose is not there, so the hose is coming this way. You go to this end, you hold like this, push the blue part, forget about the hose. When you push the blue part, it's gonna get like chubby. Let me see if I can focus. It gets chubby, then you hold and pull all the way up. So little by little, it's almost like a worm walking. So little by little it gets chubby, which expands, then you grab the hose inside, and then you keep doing this. This takes forever. The longer the hose, the more you're gonna suffer. Yeah, I'm right there. I guess you can see now. Let's see if I can focus. Yeah, see. So you pull all the way, hold it, pull all the way, hold it. There you go. So now we have it. So now we have our one hose, and it's gonna look much better. It's like the shape. I don't know. I would like to get a different color to get it pop, but then I'm gonna get this side here that's more covered. Alright, and here, look at that. Look at the difference. It's like way cleaner than it was before. So you can see the other ones. Look at how they look. And there you go, all done. It looks so much better. That was something that I had in the car, and I never was much fan of it because I don't know, it just looks so ugly. And this looks so much nicer, slimmer, thinner. I don't know. I think it's cooler. So yeah, I hope that if you're about to buy those things, I can tell you a couple of things. One, this one definitely works, but you know, as you see, it gets ugly and it's bulky, and you have all the fiber in there. This one, it's much thinner. You saw me burning it. It didn't burn the hose, although it turned white, but it didn't change anything inside. This one is the same thing. I mean, it burned, but the fiber is flexible, so if the fiber opens a little bit, you can get hit in there. The other one, the fiber doesn't open at all. So I would recommend this one if I need to choose one. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and you can get the size you want. But yeah, hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a little bell button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button. If you can hit the little like button too, it's right down here. It's pretty cool, helped me a lot. There's a lot of content coming on the Supra. I'm gonna rebuild that engine. Yep, I'm pointing to the right thing. Rebuild that engine and put in there. I'm about to buy parts. This one, I'm just waiting for a multi-layer gasket because I don't think the surfaces are matching very well. So I have a couple here, but I'm getting a one gasket with 4 layers. I'm hoping that one is a little better for me. But if you hit the little bell button, you're gonna notification when I publish that. Alright guys, thank you, appreciate, later. Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a McDonald's.